Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable Instagram dark mode. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Now go to 3 lines. Now scroll down. Here you can see accessibility and translations. Press on this. Now you can see here dark mode. Go for it. If you want to disable your dark mode, you just have to press on this off option. That's it. So this is how to disable dark mode in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.